Okay. At was a red notice, itong tinatawag na red notice, iyon ba ang pinadala ng Interpol, Executive Director Alcantara? Kasi ang binanggit mo ngayon, diffusion.
Ang dumating po sa atin
Oh.
ay isang diffusion, isang commonly tinatawag na red diffusion.
Teka, ang pagkaalam ko, iba ang notice at iba ang diffusion. Iklaro po ninyo, alin na natanggap?
Ipapaliwanag ko po. Ang red notice po ay a request for international police cooperation that has been applied for by a member country or entity that are distributed to every member of the organization.
Opo, alam natin yon.
Okay
Pero
po.
ang sabi kanina, red notice ang natanggap. Ngayon ang sinasabi mo, hindi red notice, kundi diffusion lamang.
Tama po.
Alin ba talaga?
Diffusion po.
Walang red notice.
Nagkakaroon po ang general public or everybody ng
Pero alam natin
confusion.
na hindi magkapareho yun.
It's equivalent po to a red notice.
Hindi po.
Ang red,
Mas alam ninyo ito sa akin.
Opo,
Ang
opo.
diffusion po, hindi red notice. Tingnan lang natin ang
hindi nga po.
website.
Ang diffusion po is a request for international police cooperation that is coming from an entity or another member country that is directed to another member country or
Tama,
several
oo.
countries. Yun po ang pagkakaiba.
Sa-
If an Interpol member country is trying to track down a fugitive for prosecution or to serve a sentence, it can send a request for a red notice to be issued via its Interpol National Central Bureau. Red notices can also be requested by international courts and tribunals. Every request is checked by a specialised task force at the General Secretariat to ensure that it's compliant with Interpol's rules and is not politically, militarily, religiously or racially motivated, or that it targets a refugee. The review takes into account all information available prior to publication. If approved, the red notice is sent to all member countries by the General Secretariat. The notice includes identifying information about the fugitive and details of the crime they are wanted for. Each member country decides what action to take on a red notice. A red notice is not an arrest warrant, but they can help bring fugitives to justice, sometimes many years after the original crime was committed.